It's finally time to ride my dream dirt jumper. I know it's been a while since I uploaded any videos on my dirt jumper build, but finally we got it in the shop and we got the wheel fixed and everything. So we can finally ride the P3 that I've been working on for quite a long time now. So here's a really quick look on the P3 build. So anyway, that's pretty much all. Obviously I can't ride out right now because it's snowing, but subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed, and I'll keep you guys updated. Peace.